we're going to test out the shop vac upgrade. What we're going to do is vacuum up all this rubbish off the bottom of my shed floor, see how much goes into the can as opposed to how much goes into the shop vac itself. So the weight is, what's that, about just over 1.6, halfway between 1.5 and 1.75 kg. Turn the vacuum on. That doesn't take too long. Okay, sorry I accidentally stopped the video before when I was trying to turn the vacuum off. I've taken the lid off. This is the crap I've got in there. Let's just roll it away. And what did we end up with? Okay, slightly less than we started with. Just over 1.5 kg, and it was 1.6 something before, so we've probably lost 50-70 grams, but as you can tell, the vast majority of it ended up in here. The video you probably see my vacuum was getting a bit clogged. That was mainly because I had to throw a bit of wet sand and stuff into this rubbish to try and bulk it out so I could actually get a decent weight in there to do experiment. But by and large, well over 90%, 95 onwards percent goes through the cyclone separator. Works awesome.